Hey everyone, this is Sadashiv from HGPA Classes, Pune. I hope all of you are doing great and you guys are safe. The 12th standard examinations have just come to an end. Now, there are a lot of students who want to pursue CA as their career path. Now, there are two categories of students pursuing CA. In the first category, the student already goes for CA foundation coaching along with this 12th standard. Now, for this category, the exam was supposed to happen in the month of May 22, which has been postponed to June 22. In the second category, the student wants to pursue CA, but he or she continues CA foundation coaching after 12th standard exams, and they have their examination in the month of November 22. Let us talk about the first category students. Now, if you belong to that category who has already completed their CA foundation coaching along with their 12th standard and your exam was supposed to happen in the month of May 22, which has now been rescheduled by ICAI to June 22, well, this video is for you. Now, let me ask you some serious questions. The first question, are you prepared for the June 22 examination? Are you ready for the June 22 examination? Are your concepts crystal clear regarding accounts, maths, law and economics? Now, if your answer to these questions is a simple no, well, there's a perfect batch for you. HGPA Classes is the pioneers of CA Foundation offline revision batches in Pune. Now, we have conducted loads of successful batches over the past years. Now, if you ask any student who has cleared from HGPA CA Foundation from the revision batch, you will get one simple answer that yes, please go and join this revision batch. There are lots of other academies and classes shouting at the top of their voices that they have free lectures, free recordings, free notes and all. But let me tell you something. If you come offline for this batch, you have a sure target of clearing your CA foundation in the month of June 22. So why wait? Please dial on the number flashing on your screen right away. The batch starts from 24th of March 22, right after your accounts paper. Now, for all my dear friends who fall in the second category, who want to pursue CA, but their examination is in the month of November 22, well, for you guys, there's a fresh batch coming on 28th of March 22. Now, this is the fresh batch, face-to-face. Well, please take a wise decision and join HGPA Classes today. And please do pass on this message to all your friends, and please stay safe. Thank you.